Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw the Grinch's dog, Max. It's a really cool drawing. It's gonna be him kind of looking up at him from the side view. But yeah, this is one view of Max. If you've always wanted to draw him, now's your chance. It's for beginners, by the way, completely for beginners. So if you're a beginner, you will be able to do this, and it's only an 8-minute video. Super, super short. So stay to the end. Okay, that's it. Let's jump in here. First thing I'm going to tell you, ask you, is hit the subscribe button right now if you like Christmas, because I'm going to be posting constantly this month, or if you like Halloween, because I post on Halloween. Most of the channel's Halloween. I would say the channel's about 75% Halloween, 25% Christmas. It's a holiday channel. So when you hit the subscribe and click the bell notification when next year rolls around, when you forgot about the holidays, you'll start seeing these cool videos on your feed all of a sudden. You're like, oh, cool, maybe I want to draw that. Maybe I want to draw it. So it's like a good checklist for later. So definitely hit the subscribe and the bell. Okay, let's get going right here. First thing I'm going to draw a line here for the snout of Max. Pulling up here in the eye area. I'm going to actually lengthen the snout a little bit. Down over here, up. Line. Curve to the front of the nose. Down. Down over here for the mouth. And the mouth is going to pull back up a little bit. Just a little bit up. Because he's going to have this kind of disappoint. I don't know what to say it, like kind of confused face. Down over here for the lower part of the mouth. Back. Line over here. Curve for the top of the eye. Curve, well, kind of a curve over here, mostly straight for the top of the head. Down a little bit. Line for the top of the ear. And that's going to pull down. And continue down pretty long. And it's going to end down here. Pull up. And we're going to pull right back up to the ear. I'm going to go over here and find the rest of the nose. It's like a triangle right there. And I'm going to fill in most of it except for a little strip at the top. Line in the back. Neck. Line, neck. Out, down. For the kind of like his back, right? The dog's back. Go over here. His kind of rear end over here. Down. Pull in just a tad because right here is going to be his, like the tail. Pulling down from the front of the chest over here, his chest down. Angle back just a bit. I'm going to pull straight down into the floor. Out for the front of the foot. Back. Up. Zigzag here. Pulling downward for the lower part of his body. Back right here for his stomach area. Hit the like button, by the way, if you're following this. Definitely hit the like. That helps. I'm going to go over here in the far back over here. I'm going to pull basically the exact same foot shape. So you're going to see on the far end. Down here. Out. In. Up. So it's kind of like the same shaped foot. He's got like kind of like a furry foot or that hits the floor. Over here the back. And you can draw literally the exact same shape here in the back. So let's draw what's really gonna make you remember him, and that's gonna be the antler, the fake antler he has. So we're gonna pull up here, back here, out, up, out. I'm going to draw like a circle shape at the front because it's kind of like a tube shape. Down, angle, up over here, up over here. Circle, circle, in, line, line, another segment, line, line. Now way at the top, curve out, circle, down, out, in. And you have to have where it's tied because he tied it to his head, right? So we're going to have over here a line right there. And then this like kind of like circle, circle, line, line. You know, it's to show that it's tied to him, you know. And that's the entire thing. That is him. You could add what I do for everything, which is like a thicker line on the outside of him. Just on the outside, and even though it's a different cartoon, I am going to do it. Just kind of doing the outside here. But I'm just going to finish this up right here in front of you. But thank you so much. There you go, so it looks better. Thank you for sticking around. Share the video if you enjoyed it. That helps a lot. Another thing you can do is check out Skillshare for my complete lessons. If you want to start drawing from the beginning, definitely check that out. It's you know, a lot of stuff. I have everything on there. It's completely for beginners, and they're long lessons. These are like hour-long lessons that stuff that I learned, and I just kind of put them into video form and put them out over on Skillshare. Go check that out. Right now, you can sign up. It's easy. They give you 100% free, so you can see every lesson on there for free for a month. So go take a look at that in my description. And thank you so much, and I will see you next time.